to draw cute crying cat. First draw face and ear like a mountain, double ear. And then you draw inside the ear, right side and left side, small mountain. And close the line of head. Well done. Next you draw body. First draw the legs, small cute legs, and back side leg. You draw 6, reverse 6. This is easy, okay? Leg, and then you draw tail, cute tail, like this. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Draw cute nose, small cute nose, and mouth, like this. Oh, she said, crying. Draw the river of tears. No, she crying. Oh my god. Crying cat. What happened? River left side. And oh my god, it make me sad too. And draw eyes. Small eyes. Not small. Circle eyes. Inside eye. Like this. Like shining eyes. Okay? Oh my god, so cute, but it's crying. Eyebrows. No. And it's complete finish. Maybe you draw these 2 footprint. And thank you for watching, everybody. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.